Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you at what FPS you can actually play the Asphalt 9 in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So if you're watching first time this channel, friends, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know what wallpaper I'm using, so which is called 4D wallpaper, friends. So you can check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. So where you can find very interesting wallpapers similarly like this. So live wallpapers and 4D wallpapers. So this 4D wallpaper is pretty good, which won't even drain pretty battery life, friends. So do check the links in description for the wallpapers must try in on Android. So for the Redmi Note 9 Pro, there is a playlist, friends, so you can find plenty of interesting videos. So recently I uploaded plenty of battery draining videos, friends, on the Redmi Note 9 Pro while watching YouTube and even while watching movies as well. So do check the links in description, friends, and even check out my channel for more videos you can find very interesting. So as you can see at the moment, I am playing the Asphalt 9 game here in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and where you can clearly see on the top it's playing with the 60 FPS, friends, currently. So without any problem it's trying to maintain 60 FPS consistently, as you can see 60 and 59. So which is pretty good, friends, in terms of overall FPS while playing the Asphalt 9. So even I did a other comparison video as well, playing the Call of Duty and PUBG and Free Fire as well. So do check the playlist, friends, of the Redmi Note 9 Pro, so you can understand more in details about the Redmi Note 9 Pro and what games it actually plays at play at higher frame rates, and what are the other games which doesn't support 60 FPS. So you can see the game settings as well. So visual quality, let me select to the high quality. So don't forget to check out this 4D wallpaper, friends, so which is very good. So you can see here where the icons are floating on the display, so which looks pretty attractive, friends. So it doesn't drain much of the battery as well. So even I started to do plenty of Android application reviews, friends, so that's why I'll be covering plenty of wallpapers reviews in my channel. So it's better to keep all the wallpapers in one playlist, so it makes easy, because there are so many wallpapers available in the Play Store which has very tons of features. So that's why I decided to keep a separate playlist as well. So at the moment I'm using with the high quality settings, as you can see still it's maintaining 60 FPS as well, friends. So overall with the Asphalt 9 you can clearly play at higher frame rates, so which most of the users are even playing with the Asphalt 9, so I thought of doing this video. So definitely, friends, if you have any other games in mind, do comment below. I'll try to make a video on that as well. So testing on this Redmi Note 9 Pro. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.